Hi guys. Today I've got something for you, Dashcam. Because the reason why I got this Dashcam because of some unpleasant experience that I've experienced just about nearly a month ago. So anyway, ever since then I was informed that actually having a Dashcam is in your car is actually very beneficial. So nonetheless, I've been searching around here and there for an affordable Dashcam that's easy to install, not intrusive, looks good, and most importantly affordable. So what I got is this Xiaoyi Dashcam. Supposedly is the smaller sibling of this Xiaomi's Dashcam, no, the big one, but this is a small one. I got it last Friday from Shopee, 149. I think it's quite a okay deal. And you can visit its website here to purchase 70 MAI. I suppose it is a 70-minute recording thing. So it doesn't come with a SD card, it's just the camera. So anyway, let's unbox it and see what's inside this package. As always, it's just a hard plastic. I removed the outer layer, the transparent plastic thing, so it's easier for me. So nonetheless, let's open and see what it is. I'm not sure what is this, if any one of you can see, so I don't know what this says. So okay, let's get straight to the unboxing. So it's a bit snug, which is okay. Wow, it's hard. Okay, so it's off. So what you have is this electrostatic thing. Supposedly this will stick to your car windscreen, and then your camera will stick here. So this is by right is far superior than your normal double-sided tape. So you have this here. So I'm just going to set this side here. Your normal reading materials, which is all in Chinese. Sadly, I don't understand Chinese, but I was informed by the supplier that the interface in the camera itself is English, so which is good. So you have this, and the camera itself. Wow, it's actually bigger than I thought it would. So let's just get it up. How do I get it? Oh, okay, sure. Okay, so you open up here like that, and then you open it up here like that. Am I doing it right? Oh shit, I should take this out first. Alright, so okay. Looks okay. It looks metal, but actually it's not. It's plastic. But it's very the build quality is very good actually for this amount of price. So as you can see, this is where your micro SD card. Okay, this thing takes in micro SD card. So if you buy a wrong one, then you are in trouble. So micro SD card, this is where your power supply comes in, and reset button, all you have is here. So these are all the things, speaker and whatnot, and so this is the sticker that's supposed to stick right here once you're done. And this is the on-off button indicator. There's a LED ring around here, so different colors signifies different things. And the logo branding here, this is where you adjust, up, down. Here this is a lock, and this is the camera. Right, and it's currently covered with a protective shield. I'm not going to remove it until I install in my car, so I don't prevent so I can prevent from scratching. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with its build quality, but I'm just surprised that it's actually larger than I thought it is. I assume that it's much smaller, but it's actually quite big. But because of its size, because this one doesn't have a mirror, because screen monitor, which I don't need because I think it's a bit ridiculous. I just needed something small and discreet, and this is just nice. So in the absence of that monitor, the screen, it comes with a very small packaging. I asked the supplier before what's the difference between this and the one with the monitor, and they say it's the same, everything's the same, just that the monitor is absent, so I prefer this over that. So here you go, this is the thing, and supposedly these have voice activation. I'm not sure, but it's in Chinese, so I guess unless you're Chinese speaking, so the voice activation is useless. Basically the voice activation allows you to turn on and off record, stuff like that, the basic things. So let's just set aside. This is a camera. What else? What else is that a package? Oh, okay. Ah, it looks very nice. But the packaging is good. What do we have here? Yeah. This is your cigarette plugging power supply. Plug in on your cars. This is the USB. So you can either opt for power supply from here or straight from a USB port. It's the same. So yeah, the versatility there. So let's just set that aside and let's see what's inside. Okay, and this must be a cable. Let's hope it's long enough, but right, it should be long enough to route all the way from the area behind your rear view mirror to your cigarette light port or something. Okay, so this is why it looks very long. Hopefully it's enough. Your standard USB cable, micro USB plug-in point. This is not USB-C, okay, so please be mindful. This is just a normal micro USB port. And yep, this is the wires. So yeah, so pretty much you have all these items. And alright, so I'll be installing this shortly, and I just need to get things sorted out and maybe to see some video on how do I actually attach this thing to my car and this thing whatever not, and how to route the wires. And I will be making a video of how to install the camera in the car as well, just a basic one, but I'm sure you can find all these videos there. So alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you up later with a follow-up video on the installation, and of course on the installation video itself, I will include the quality of recording during night, day, raining probably, and so that you guys have a view of what's this. And right now, first impression, 149 ringgit for all this, inclusive of shipping, is I must say I'm very satisfied with everything. So alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.